short content out of their long videos. Spoiler alert, they don't do it many. I finally met my
So I've been writing down all the reasons to be alive, and the number one reason is that we don't know what the One Piece is yet. So I've been writing down all the
Macht BWL.
Der macht Musik. Reggae.
Irgendwas mit Fußball? BVB. Der junge Mann ist Fußballer? Borussia Dortmund.
Mein Mann ist Dortmund-Fan und ich habe ihn nicht erkannt. Das tut mir leid.
Erst Herz hören, dann Entscheidung machen.
Growing up, I dealt with a lot of neglect, which not a lot of people talk about. Singing. I want my jeans so low rise that my ass crack is out when I sit down in the car. I want my jeans so low rise that my ass crack is out when I sit down in the car.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Хочу нашему брату пожелать, как говорят, когда у человека
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Wait, I thought it wasn't on. Okay, sorry. Oh shit. You know what? It's fine. I forgot. Holy shit, I didn't realize it was on. Okay, 1 second. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I thought I 5 minutes just doing nothing. I thought it wasn't. Oh god. Okay, never mind. I thought it wasn't on. Oh my god. My bad. My bad. My bad. That was terrible. God. That is terrible. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Okay, so today I'd like to I think I wanna fix and deploy the Moneta and then probably watch the CS50 week 3. A little bit about algorithm, you know. So depending on if I could solve the issue or not. If I could solve the issue, then we can do that. Oh god, this is I'm sorry, I'm embarrassing myself. I love that the picture is just a cat. God damn it, I'm sorry. Okay. So yesterday there was an issue with the let me open the other browser because for some reason the Cloudflare. There is an issue with the Cloudflare, so I don't know what to do or how to do it, but okay, let me open Panda Beats because I thought I would just go straight to CS50 Harvard, but then no, so we can just open Panda Beats. Sorry for okay, I have around 1.5 hours before bedtime. Okay, the Moneta still has error because I forgot to put the correct environment variable. And for some reason, I don't know why, that this doesn't work. Moneta dot. I've already configured that. Okay, that works actually. I just need some time to propagate the DNS. I can actually access it now. Okay. 1 second. The fan is going crazy because I guess it doesn't have enough power or doesn't have enough. Never mind. You know, it's that bad when I couldn't even open the terminal option, you know? It's that bad. I'm just gonna update into README because I'm just gonna update the README and clean up some files, and once that's done, it should rebuild with the correct environment variable. Okay, I don't. You know what? While we're at it, let's just give Z a try and compare our RAM. Usually cursor would take around like 2 gigabytes. Let's see how much Z is using while we're doing this. You know what? Fuck it. Let's just have all of IDE into this amazing machine. Let's download it, you know? Download Z. Here we go. Oh my god, okay. There we go, Z for Windows. Let's see. I accept the agreement. Next. Local data program Z. Create a desktop item. No. Add to path. No. Next. I want to see and compare the memory usage. If you open Task Manager now, it's gonna lag because Task Manager uses like 20 gigabytes of the RAM or something. There has to be something that we could remove from Arc that just I don't want to use this much. Okay, let me close all the other tabs that I did not use so that it should decrease the process. Holy, 90% of RAM? Okay, that's insane. Let's just launch Z and see how much RAM it's gonna use. Look at that, onboarding. Oh, it looks nice. Okay, let's see how much RAM it's using. 40? Are you fucking joking? 40? Oh, hello, Jigargutapa. Hello. Sorry, I haven't opened Discord yet. I hope you don't mind. But sorry, Z only uses 50 megabytes. Are you joking? Are you serious? What? Let's just use the default. What? You know what? The IU looks nice. And base key map, let's do VS Code. And I want to use Vim mode, yes. Oh god, it looks so... Okay. What do you guys think? Should we just one or IU? Okay, IU it is. Introducing Cloud Code. Add other agents. Oh, I could add other agents. Okay, it's opening the browser. You know what? I didn't intend to use Z right now, but it just seems to be doing this. We have Gemini CLI installed, so maybe we can just use that because I only want to do that. What is sign in? Like what type of... Oh, let's authenticate with GitHub. Yes, it's fine. Sign up with Google. Ooh, this is nice. Zed, I love your color and theme and everything. Amazing. We can close this. And it's already... Let's go to key maps. Let's see. Enter. Okay. Let's open the... Shift. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna need to learn some key binding. Icon themes. Let's do the default. Let's open the project, which is desktop. And it's the Moneta one because we want to just add and do that. Oh my god. I love the UI. Yes. It only uses 77 megabytes. Are you joking? Okay, maybe because I didn't open any. Are you serious? Can I open readme? Readme. Okay. I'm gonna need to go into like key maps and search for files. Space F. Oh my god. Is this like Vim? Because I'm using Vim? Oh my god. Okay, that's cool. That did not work. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this looks nice. I like it. It's clean. It's open key map. Okay, and I'm gonna need to see what are the key maps here. I'm liking it already. You know what? I'm gonna move to but I'm gonna need to learn a lot of the stuff here. The key map. Okay, the Vim is working. Control K, Control S. Oh wow, okay. It opens that up. What this is the Git, I guess? Right. What is it tracked? Okay, this one gonna need to. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, this is for the collaboration. Project search is G. Can I look for Moneta? Oh, wow. Okay. Sorry, this ends up being like a Control Shift G. Oh, that is cool. Control Shift G, and then if you want to do that, we can do Control Shift E. Okay. Let's do the README. I think I wanna up. Okay, how do we add the chat? That's the thing. So if we just press enter, it's gonna open. Okay, that's not working. How do we do that? Like space enter? Like how do we open the thing? What is this? Prediction, terminal panel. What do you use to open? Ooh, cool. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can close it. There is a debug panel. Control Shift. Oh, here we go. Okay. The thing is, at your own keys, I wanna configure my own provider because I have Google API key. Let's hopefully not leak this stuff. Ooh, we can add Gemini CLI, but how do we use it? Okay, I'm gonna need to like search. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna explore Zed because this only using like 100, 200 megabytes compared to Cursor and VS Code like 20 to basically 10 times more, like 2 gigabytes. This is insane. Okay, I love Zed. Okay, that's weird. Is it this one? How come Arc uses way more? I didn't even open another thing. How is it opening 21 processes? Can I end this task? Sorry, I think it was something. I'm only opening YouTube with 144 quality. How come it's... Which process can we terminate to decrease this usage? Oh, sorry, I accidentally pressed the free trial. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. Can I just use the free one? I don't actually know. You know, let's not do that. Okay, I'd like to. Okay, we can use Gemini 2.5 flashlight preview. Okay. I'd like to update the... Okay, the thing is, let's open Moneta, open the terminal, and then... Oh, there's an open with Z button. That is cool. Okay, git status. Okay. Control Shift G is for that. Can we do that? And then unstage. Can we like... Okay. Okay, this git one, it's a bit confusing. Yes. No change to the commit. Okay, how do we like open file? How do we like search file? Ah, okay. We can do shift that. Okay. So I think we have shift. Okay. Close tab, control W. Nice. And then we have control shift E to go here. We can use that, and then we can do... Is it shift F? No. Okay, I'm gonna need to remember all those key maps. Search. Shift. But no, that doesn't work. Shift this opens the chat window. What's like... Okay, I'm gonna need to look it up later. Still on Windows. Yes, I'm trying Z because look at that. It's like 100. It's less than 200 megabytes. Should have just used Z since like the beginning. Thank goodness they make it available on Windows. Okay. Let's add readme. Okay, no. Let's make a different... I just want to sign in to the app and just see if it works, you know, because man, I just want to use this app that is basically I don't need it, but I kind of just want to. Ooh, okay. That is cool. And I think we can do Control W to quit. Yeah. Then we can go to readme. We already set it to write. I guess write is... VS Code is very heavy. Whenever I stream, it uses like 2 gigabytes, up to 2 gigabytes to 3 gigabytes of RAM. And hello, Mr. Best Dress. Welcome. Where is Eddie? Is the here? He's in a warmer place, I would say. But yeah, okay. Let's see if failed to stream completion. What? Why? Okay, that's not good. Is it the wrong API or? Damn, okay, wait, let me configure the agents then. That's exactly what I drove here. So this is insane. It only uses like 100 megabytes. How? How is that possible? That is insane. I'm not gonna use VS Code. Oh my god. Oh, you can preview Markdown? Damn, okay, this looks good. Okay. Okay, I input the wrong I inputted the wrong API key, so how do we fix it? MCP servers settings. Okay, let me grab and let's I'm probably gonna cut mine just to exercise your programming muscles. Yes. What is it I want to look for? I'm just gonna try to create a new API key, because why is it not working? I don't know. How is it only 150 megabytes? That is insane. Let me input the key. Check out Advent of Code. Oh, what is that? Jane Street, isn't it like the hedge fund? Is this like a competition to hire people or something? Imagine using this very same thing on Linux. The Z or... Oh, I mean like if you use Z and on Linux, it's probably gonna use only like 20 or like 20% of the memory only, right? How is it 90%? Holy shit, okay. Is it this one? Xmas Team Daily Coding Challenge. Ooh, okay. How do we do it? Oh. Okay. Electronics, okay, yeah. Crazy. Wow, okay. Can I do the pro? Or is it error streaming? Is it from the Google's API? The good news is that they've discovered project management. This has given them the tools they need to prevent their usual Christmas emergency. They now know that the North Pole decoration needs to be finished soon, so that other discoveries they realize they have a different emergency according to the resource planning. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay. Exceeded the current quota? I've never Okay. I've only used it like once or two times. How is it exhausting the quota? Did I leak the... somewhere? Few billion? How come it's... when there's no usage in the last 28 days? Okay. Then I'm just gonna use whatever model. Okay, that's odd. It's been a while. I'm trying to make like a money tracker. To be honest, I don't really need to make it. It's just that I really want to waste credit. I was using Google's anti-gravity to use it. So yeah. Okay. That's not good. What about... okay, I will check advent of code again, but why is it not working? Let me try again. Okay, now it's working. I have no idea why it wasn't working previously. You should try Axios. Axios like the fetch library, or... it's on TRPC. I don't use that. Okay, never mind. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. I just want to rerun the thing anyways, and probably yeah, I have, yes. And for this one, let me just delete this one because I don't need it anymore. Um, I think this one uses Axios in the library to create the API, but it still use React Query to fetch and mutate, but the API link is using Axios. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure. I'm just gonna ask. Okay, I'm gonna close this because I know that's opening task manager like a lot. Okay, okay, that's good, I guess, and I think we can just commit this. Ooh, we can just enter a commit message here. Is that commit? And like is it merge? Is it push? Is it, how do I know if it is? I see. Okay, if I this is okay. This is new. Let's publish it. Okay, yeah, okay, that's actually a much cleaner interface. Hello, Tisa Conundrum, welcome. What up? Get status? Yes. I don't really like the. Okay, if I merge this, this should rebuild and oh, does it fetch automatically? Git status? Okay. Okay, Cloudflare Pages is building. And how about this one? Let's see if that works, or is it just gonna. Did the Cloudflare outage mess you up? I can't. Yeah, I think it was. I can't really access my website and the server because both are proxied through Cloudflare, and yeah, it was crazy. I couldn't really access anything. Please work, please. I beg, please, bruh. Oh my god, are you serious? What else? What is the mistake this time? What the fuck? Okay. I forgot. I need to yeah, I forgot. I need to see the database. I haven't seen the database. That's why it didn't work. Okay. 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 Cells assert mismatched. Do you know how I could solve it? Is it because I put the wrong like IP address, or do I need to change something in the server, or maybe I need to open some ports? Huh. SSL version or cipher mismatch? Is it that one? Honestly, I don't know your vibe coding. I would say it is 70. No, it's 80% vibe coding, but deploying everything is actually the like the last 20%, and this is the harder part. So to me, you're trying to make a call, and because you like a certificate or something, it's not allowing it to go through. Okay. How can we get the certificate? Okay, in Docploy, I already configured the domain using Let's Encrypt, but okay. API. Okay, so okay. I already input the value. Wait for DNS to test your domain by visiting that. Use DNS lookup to verify your records. Okay. I already configured the type A record and already added it to the subdomain, but it looks like it's still not adding it. So I think I just Google the service you're trying to use plus specific error, but that kind of says they. Okay, let me try to check the DNS record and see if I input the correct. That is the 128, 120, 120, 120. Google the service is trying to specific. Okay, let's see. Okay. Whose name? In general, that should be the mindset when you have errors that you haven't run into. So on Cloudflare, in the DNS record, it says that the what does it say? The hostname is not covered by a certificate. I put the domain in the domain setting in Dogploy. Uses the port 3000 and use HTTPS. Update it. Let's restart it. Behind Cloudflare. You should see the application running on the domain you just created, but in the Cloudflare, it just says that. And if I click learn more, it's actually this error. Exactly. To help avoid, Cloudflare automatically shows an error. This was not covered by certificate or proxied. DNS records not covered by TLS. If you recently added your domain to Cloudflare, meaning that your zone is in a pending state, you can often ignore this warning. I included that to the DNS yesterday. Since there are a few non-selective domains. So okay. I think it's because okay. I see what's wrong. Okay. I see. Okay, I understand. I cannot do this. I cannot do the dot. Okay, I understand. Okay. Okay, I get the issue now. Okay. I understand the issue now. I cannot use that type of domain. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Thank you. I can understand what's the issue now. So, okay. Thank you so much for the tips. That really helped. Okay. But we need to wait, I guess, wait again until tomorrow and see if that works. But at least there is okay. I'm not sure if that corrects this, if this is the correct way or not, but we should give it a try. Can I really just change it? Will it need time to propagate? Well, that's just sad. Okay, fuck. Never mind. Okay. Sorry. Okay, at least it's a different error now. It's a bad gateway. Okay. What is wrong with this then? I think I'm gonna need to stop and then reload the server. Okay. Application stop, and then we need to no, so start the application. Let's go. I need to change the I need to change the link again. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. If this I can't really show it because that means I'm gonna leak some secrets. That's not good. Go to Cloudflare dashboard, settings, at use under the deploy hooks, at deploy hooks. Give your deploy hooks a different name. Select branch to build. Click save. Copy the generated URL. This is the secret URL used to trigger the rebuild. Once you have the URL, you can use tool like curl in your terminal to send the post request and trigger the build. That is dangerous. Okay. How much do you code per day? I think on average is around 2 hours. Oh my god, there's a retry button. I did it. Guys, there's a retry button in here for Cloudflare pages. Okay. Read the docs and explore the dashboard, yeah? Okay, why is it not starting? Okay, this is new. if that port is being used by Dogploy, that means I need to use other port. But then I need to configure that. I need to change the port. Hey, good. It's okay. Thank you so much. Good luck on the work. I hope you still get an upgrade of a machine. Thank you for the guide and introducing me to Advent of Code. From judging by the question, it is very hard. I don't think I could solve it without like looking up stuff on the internet. But yeah, good luck to you too. Have a great day. And yeah. Part of the job. I know. True. I will definitely try it and figure it out, but yeah. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna end it. This is crazy. I don't know what the fuck is wrong. But I'm gonna try again tomorrow. Hopefully I can do this. I'm gonna play around with Zed. This is fun. In the sense that I should have just thank you Zed for making it available on Windows. I thought I could have the energy and time to continue to watch the algorithm course by CS50 to kind of get to the basic, to not be brain rotted since I've been vibe coding way too much. I'm gonna to start actually studying and probably really learn, and so make sure I didn't fail another interview. But yeah, I think the issue is that I don't know what the issue is. I think to be honest, it says bad gateway, and the server still responds with that, and then for some reason the page is not building using the correct environment variable. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I am suddenly just tired. I was feeling energetic, but I guess I suddenly just got tired. I don't know why, but I'm gonna play around with Zed tomorrow and probably trying to figure out why it wouldn't like deploy, because that is just such a terrible thing. I don't know why it didn't work, but it is what it is. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, I hope everyone have a great day, great night, or whatever if you're resting, and I'll see you tomorrow or in 2 days. I'm not entirely sure why it's not working, but definitely going to be using Zed moving on. But I need to configure or find a way so that I could use other models here, because I'm not paying another thing, because I've been using just the free stuff anyways. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.